put a smile on your face. Tell me the truth. What really makes you happy? And what makes you move? Never giving up when life gets too hard. Right around the corner is a brand new start. Feeling like we're riding on a roller coaster. Getting so far, we not getting closer. Life is all about the up and down. Take your medicine, stop fooling around. Never take yourself too seriously. Laugh with the world and live and be free. Why do more people trying to take life slow? Why is every day so impossible? When I speak my mind, I tell no lies. Once upon a time I laughed so hard I cried. Doesn't really matter at the end of the day, as long as you have life and you feel happy. Don't hold you down, will I make you strong? So come on everybody, won't you sing this song? Smiles on faces, we putting smiles on faces. Smiles on faces, we putting smiles on faces. Well, it's a long road and it's taking me home. Been a long day, still got a ways to go. I don't feel like we're getting older. Feel so alive.